100% plastic. Imported. Noise reduction earmuffs. Walker's Pro low-profile folding earmuffs provide the powerful hearing protection you need for shooting any type of gun, or for working with heavy machinery, from sustained sound and loud noises. Comfortable secure fit. Low-profile contoured cups minimize interference with your gun stock so you can focus on your target. A padded headband and soft PVC ear pads ensure a comfortable fit for long days at the shooting range. Block hazardous noise. Walker's Pro low-profile ear muffs have a noise reduction rating of NR 22 dB and are rated at ANSI S3.19. Multi-purpose protection. Along with offering ear protection for hunting and shooting, Walker's earmuffs have a wide range of applications, including everything from construction and yard work to sports events, concerts, fireworks, travel, and so much more. Foldable compact design. These Walker's hearing protection unisex earmuffs feature compact folding design for portability. These earmuffs are easy to store and transport. Top reviews from the United States. Really effective, cute, low-profile earmuffs. I highly recommend. These low-profile, noise-canceling earmuffs are great. They can be a little tight/difficult to adjust to fit if you have a really large head, like a large man might have, but for smaller people/females, these are great. They are comfortable, a great value for the money, and do a great job of muffling loud noises, especially at an indoor shooting range, which is what I've used them for. The low profile is very helpful and allows you to position your rifle right up against your cheek, without getting in the way, like larger, more rounded earmuffs might do. I'd definitely recommend these to anyone looking for a cute, high-quality pair of noise-canceling earmuffs. I actually bought a second pair of these, in the black turquoise color, because I like them so much and I wanted to have an extra pair. You will be happy with these.